Hey everyone, welcome back to. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and everything in between. Today, we've got something really special to talk about, the 2026 Suzuki GS1000G, an exciting new chapter in Suzuki's legacy. If you're a fan of powerful bikes with incredible performance and cutting-edge technology, then stay tuned, because we're about to dive deep into what makes this motorcycle one of the most anticipated releases in the biking world. Let's get started. When we think of Suzuki, names like the GSX-R, V-Strom, and Hayabusa often come to mind. These iconic motorcycles have set the benchmark in their respective categories, and now, Suzuki is back with something fresh and thrilling for 2026, the Suzuki GS1000G. The GS1000G is a brand new entry into Suzuki's lineup, a stunning mix of performance, style, and technology, all bundled into a bike that looks poised to carry on the legendary legacy of its predecessors while looking ahead to the future of motorcycling. Today, we're going to break down all the details of the GS1000G, from its performance specs to design elements, and what makes it stand out in a crowded market. Let's kick things off with the design. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 GS1000G is its striking presence. Suzuki has opted for a design that pays homage to the classics while incorporating modern elements to give it that futuristic edge. The bodywork is sleek, muscular, and has that unmistakable Suzuki signature, with a low-slung, aggressive stance that makes it impossible to ignore. The front features a sharp, angular headlamp design, giving it an aggressive look. The narrow but muscular fuel tank is designed to improve aerodynamics and add to the overall aggressive appearance. On top of that, you'll find a series of subtle curves and lines, working together to provide a dynamic yet balanced feel, whether you're admiring the bike up close or seeing it on the move. One standout feature is the newly designed exhaust system, which not only enhances performance but also adds a more refined, throaty roar when you hit the throttle. The GS1000G's exhaust has been fine-tuned for maximum efficiency, making it both stylish and functional. And let's not forget the new color options that Suzuki has made available. They're bold and vibrant, offering everything from matte black to a more aggressive, racing-inspired color scheme. Each color choice complements the bike's overall design, making it an absolute head-turner on the road. Now let's talk about what really matters, performance. The Suzuki GS1000G comes equipped with a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that pushes out a staggering 155 horsepower, making it a true powerhouse. This engine has been carefully engineered to deliver an optimal balance between power and smoothness, which means you'll have all the grunt you need for high-speed highway riding and thrilling canyon carving. Suzuki has incorporated their latest engineering advancements to ensure this bike offers a unique riding experience, blending performance with comfort. The GS1000G features a sophisticated fuel injection system, giving it an incredibly responsive throttle. This ensures that every twist of the throttle delivers immediate power without any hesitation. Speaking of performance, the GS1000G also comes with a 6-speed gearbox that has been upgraded for smoother gear transitions, making it even more enjoyable to ride at various speeds. Whether you're on a winding back road or cruising at 100 miles per hour, the GS1000G's transmission has been engineered to give you seamless shifts and efficient power delivery. Handling is another area where the GS1000G really shines. Suzuki has equipped the bike with fully adjustable suspension, both at the front and rear. The front end features a show of 43mm inverted fork, while the rear is supported by a high-quality monoshock system, which gives the rider the ability to fine-tune the bike for a personalized feel. This means that whether you prefer a stiffer ride for tight cornering or a more relaxed setup for long-distance comfort, the GS1000G can be adjusted to suit your riding style and terrain. And because the suspension is fully adjustable, you can also tweak it to match your weight, giving you the perfect setup every time you hit the road. Let's now dive into the tech side of things, because the 2026 Suzuki GS1000G is packed with some seriously impressive technology. Starting with the digital display, the GS1000G comes with a large TFT screen that gives you all the important information you need, right at your fingertips. This screen is highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the layout of data to fit your preferences. The bike also includes Suzuki's ride-by-wire technology, which allows the throttle to communicate directly with the engine's electronic control unit, ECU. This creates a more precise and responsive throttle, which ultimately improves both fuel efficiency and performance. One of the standout tech features is the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, which offers multiple ride modes: Sport, Touring, and Eco. These modes adjust the power output, throttle response, and traction control, allowing you to tailor the riding experience to your needs. Whether you're looking for maximum performance or better fuel economy, SIRS ensures that you've got the perfect setup. Comfort is another area where the GS1000G excels. Despite being a sport-oriented bike, Suzuki has designed the GS1000G with ergonomics in mind. The rider's seat is cushioned for long-distance comfort, and the footpeg position allows for a relaxed yet performance-oriented riding posture. This means that you can take the bike on long rides without feeling the strain, which is something you don't always get with sport bikes. The handlebars are slightly higher than what you might expect on a traditional sport bike, giving you a more upright and comfortable riding position. This helps reduce rider fatigue, especially during extended trips. And with adjustable brake and clutch levers, you can fine-tune the controls to suit your preferences, making the GS1000G a true joy to ride over long distances. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects: the price. Suzuki has positioned the GS1000G as a premium model, but they've managed to keep it competitive within the sport bike segment. While we don't have official pricing just yet, we expect the GS1000G to be priced around $15,000 to $17,000, depending on the market and any additional options or packages. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive into the GS1000G. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think about this bike and what you're most excited about for 2026. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more motorcycle reviews, news, and updates right here on. Catch you in the next one, and until then, keep the rubber side down.